guys, andito kami ngayon sa Home Depot kasi maghahanap kami ng refrigerator freezer.
Nadidismaya siya sa presyo.
Kaya maghanap kami dito ngayon. Kailangan umorder kami kaagad. Kaya ito, titingnan natin itong mga refrigerator na ito.
Pero maganda yan, no? Tingnan mo. May movie. So may Google, may YouTube, may Facebook, may Yahoo, may Instagram. Saan ka pa? Oh, mayroon pang sinasabi na Happy Independence Day, which will be tomorrow. Happy Independence Day. Memo daw. Tapos, ayun, no? Buy me raw.
May I see what's inside?
Yeah.
Hindi nga man. To that.
This one here. Oh, it's this may just be water. Just water.
Yeah, because the ice maker is down there.
That's right. It's all right there. Yeah. Here's the crisper. Oh, malabaw.
Yeah.
And here's the freezer. And here's the ice maker. Tons of ice.
I think I like this one better, which is $1,000 less, and the inside is about the same as the 3,198. The only difference is the electronics, the digital, all of this here. That's the only difference, but the inside, the cooling, the freezer, the refrigerator area is the same, except for all this social media. And of course, it has an AI camera inside. Ang mga kulay pala na ito guys, yung light blue at saka puti, may itim o silver. Mapapalitan pala yan according to the one in the panel. Custom made kung alin ang gusto mo. There are so many choices here guys. It depends on the size, on the price, on the features that you want, the maker, and the model. And I think guys, we have already selected what we want. Is that what you wanted? Is that what you want?
Ito pala ito eh. Itong morning blue glass with the white glass. Itong kombinasyon.
Yeah.
Ito.
I don't like that color though. We don't like the colored fridge, so we will just get the stainless like our old one. Ayan guys, na-deliver na ang aming bagong refrigerator freezer. Kaya titingnan natin ito sa loob. Wala pa kaming nilagay dyan sa loob kasi kararating lang. Kaya yung nilagay pa lang namin ay itong mga drinks dito sa beverage center niya. Itong pitchel niya guys, you have to put it in and it fills up automatically when the door closes. You don't have to fill it up with water. It fills up automatic, and also it has a diffuser for water flavor. This is the water dispenser, and the freezer is below this dispenser or below the crisper, and it produces two sizes of ice, the cubes and the ice bits. Hindi pa namin pwede gamitin ito ngayon guys kasi bago pa lang, dapat itapon daw ito. Ito guys, ang 29 cubic feet na Samsung Bespoke refrigerator freezer. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate all your support, and we will see you on our next video. Bye-bye.